A serious talk. Your behavior in the last episode was completely out of line. Bethenny Frankel, oh please, Andy. You know I always speak my mind. What's the big deal? Andy Cohen, speaking your mind is one thing, but attacking and belittling your co-stars is unacceptable. We are a team here, and we need to treat each other with respect. Bethenny Frankel, respect? You want respect? How about showing some respect for my opinion? You're just trying to silence me. Andy Cohen, that's not true, Bethenny. I value your opinion, but there's a way to express yourself without tearing others down. You crossed a line, and I won't tolerate it. Bethenny Frankel, well, maybe if you actually listened to me instead of coddling everyone else, I wouldn't have to resort to this. Andy Cohen, resort to what, exactly? Bethenny Frankel, they're all just jealous of me, Andy. They can't handle my success. They're all beneath me. Andy Cohen, is this how you really feel, Bethenny? Is this what you've been saying behind closed doors? Bethenny Frankel, it's the truth, Andy. I'm tired of being attacked, and I won't apologize for speaking my mind. Andy Cohen, well, Bethenny, it's clear that we have a lot to discuss and work through. But let me be clear, this toxic behavior will not be tolerated on this show any longer. Andy Cohen, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explosive moments like this one.